No squeaking? No squeaking? Good to his butt. That's for Auntie Lindsay. She loves does. Whoa. What's your head, Bubby? Look at does. He's ticklish. Right here, he's ticklish. Ooh, he's so ticklish. Ooh, he's so ticklish. You're falling down. Where's your burp? Where's the face? Love that face. That's my favorite. Oh. Let me see that face. That's the best face. Yes, it is. It's so good. Where's your wake up face? Do it again. It's so cute. It's so cute. You gonna finish your bottle? Or are you gonna sleep? I think I'm gonna sleep, Mommy. Oh. I didn't say that. One eye open. You get your squeaky eye? Like Popeye? You want the rest of your bottle? You want the rest of it? Oh boy. You want some more? Okay. Oh, that's a short sign right there. Open up. And I gotta make your honk sounds. Honk. Where's your donkey noises? Honk. You staring at the camera? It's got one eye open again. Oh, there's the other one. Where's your honkies? Honk. Your bottle's almost empty. It's almost empty. What do you have to say about that? No more honking? Think we're running on either, kiddo. Oh, milk face. How I love milk face. Oh, big stretchies. Oh boy. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. You ready for more burping? You ready for more burping? Where's your squeak? Squeak! That was a good face. Whoa! Mommy's dropping cameras. Say bye-bye. I'm gonna go burp now. I'm gonna go burp now. Alright. Bye.